Egypt vocabulary quiz. Select the vocabulary word that matches the definition. No answer choices are used more than once. Number 1. A waterfall or rapids in a river. Cataract, delta, or shadoof. Number 2. A fan-shaped area of silt near where a river flows into the sea. Delta, shadoof, or papyrus. Number 3. A bucket attached to a long pole used to transfer river water to storage basins. Delta, shadoof, or hieroglyphics. Number 4. A reed plant that grew wild along the Nile River. Delta, papyrus, or hieroglyphics. Number 5. A writing system made up of a combination of pictures and sound symbols. Delta, shadoof, or hieroglyphics. Number 6. A line of rulers from one family. Hieroglyphics, dynasty, or embalming. Number 7. Government by religious leaders. Theocracy, pharaoh, or incense. Number 8. Ruler of ancient Egypt. Pharaoh, bureaucrat, or pyramid. Number 9. A government official. Papyrus, bureaucrat, or theocracy. Number 10. A process of treating a body to keep it from decaying. Dynasty, theocracy, or embalming. Number 11. Great stone tomb built for an Egyptian pharaoh. Embalming, pyramid, or envoy. Number 12. A material that produces a pleasant smell when burned. Bureaucrat, pyramid, or incense. Number 13. A government representative to another country. Bureaucrat, incense, or envoy.